In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add new pages in Durable AI. If you're building out your website and want to add a blog, a contact page, or a custom section, I'll walk you through the exact flow so you can do it confidently and quickly. Once you're inside your Durable site, head to the top navigation bar and click Pages. This is your central hub for everything page related and the best place to keep your site organized. From here, look for the Create New button, or you may see an Add Page option depending on your layout. Click that to start building your new page. Next, choose the type of page you want to generate. Durable offers common presets like block, contact, and about, so pick the one that matches your goal. Using a preset gives you a solid structure right away, which saves time and helps keep your site consistent. As soon as you select the type, Durable's AI will automatically populate the page with draft content. Think of this as a starting point. It gives you headings, text, and images that you can fine-tune to match your brand. This step removes the blank page stress and lets you move straight into shaping the details. Now it's time to customize. Click directly on any text or image you want to adjust, and use the right side panel to edit. You can rewrite copy, tweak tone, swap images, and refine layout elements until everything looks and sounds right for your audience. If something isn't quite clicking, use the AI tools to regenerate text or images on the page. It's a great way to explore alternatives without manually rewriting everything. When you're happy with the changes, make sure your edits are saved so nothing is lost. By the way, if you don't have Durable yet or you want to try this on a fresh project, there's a link to the website at the very top of the description so you can jump in and follow along. If you prefer full creative control, you can also start with a blank page instead of a preset. From there, add sections manually to build exactly what you need, piece by piece. This is perfect for unique layouts or special landing pages. Once your page is created, it will automatically appear in your site's navigation menu, so visitors can find it right away without extra setup. That's all there is to it. Go to Pages, create a new one, choose a type, let the AI generate a starter, customize in the right panel, and save. Thanks for watching.